In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects on Wix. Setting up a 301 redirect is an essential task, especially if you've changed the URL of a page, reorganized your site, or consolidated pages. This guide will help ensure that your visitors and search engines seamlessly find their way to the new locations of your content. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to access your site's dashboard. This is the central hub for all your website settings and configurations on Wix. Log into your Wix account, and you'll see your dashboard, which is your launchpad to customize and manage various aspects of your site. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to where things are located. Then locate the option for SEO tools. This area of your dashboard is where you can control various search engine optimization settings and is crucial for ensuring your site performs well in search engine rankings. Next, proceed to open the Redirect Manager. This feature is embedded within the SEO Tools section and is specifically designed to handle your URL redirections. It's a user-friendly interface that allows you to create and manage these redirects without having to deal with complex coding. It's ideal for ensuring continuity from your old pages to their new destinations. Once in the Redirect Manager, you'll have a straightforward set of options ahead of you. Now, you'll want to create a new redirect. This process involves specifying the old URL that you want to redirect from and the new URL that you want to redirect to. Keep in mind that the old URL is the one that's no longer in use but perhaps is still getting traffic. Meanwhile, the new URL is where you want that traffic to be directed. This ensures that visitors end up on the correct page, even if they use an outdated link. At this stage, you should enter the old and new URLs in the appropriate fields. Make sure to double check both URLs for any typing errors, as even a small mistake can lead to a broken redirect, causing frustration for both users and search engines. Once you're confident that everything's correct, finalize the creation of this redirect. With these steps completed, your 301 redirect is set up, efficiently guiding visitors from the old page to the new one, and helping to preserve your SEO juice from past pages. Regularly monitor your site's analytics to see how the redirects are performing and if further adjustments are needed. That's it for setting up 301 redirects on Wix. It's a fairly easy process once you know where everything is within your Wix dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps keep your site running smoothly.